Shit, dude, that looking at it, see what he got in his hands at, don't he? Yeah, he don't want to touch it.
He don't want you to touch it.
All right, we made it up here to PG.
PG, the big PG.
The big city town square. PG. Hanging out with the crew. Part of the Miss Lou Bykers. See what we doing? This is how we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes. Just hanging out with the crew. A few of us here.
Now look,
Miko, say something to the camera.
What's up? I'm saying something to the camera.
She's saying something to Miss Lou Bykers. This is how we do it.
but they say they get
Jonathan.
out there in the place. And what's up?
What's up?
You see a dude that looking at it, see what he got in his hands at, don't he? Yeah, he don't want to touch it.
He don't want you to touch it.
Down here at the Walmart, just hanging out. Waiting on at least one more to come. I know one more should be coming. I'm your man K Smooth, and welcome back to another edition of RWKSD. You ride with K Smooth and the Dominator. On this Saturday evening, early evening, late afternoon, just got together, decided to just go cut a few corners, make a few blocks. I guess you can see who's doing it. The Miss Lou Bykers. Don't know where we're gonna go, but we're just gonna take a little spin, see how we're gonna do it at our local favorite Walmart. Parked in the shade up under the tree. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments, leave me some likes. I will get back with you. All right, we made it up here to PG. PG,
the big PG.
The big city town square. PG. Word up. Stopped at McDonald's, Mickey D's.
No, that's a lie.
Got us a little bite. Part of the Miss Lou Bykers. Jill ain't showed up.
Time to boot it up now.
Booted and suited and booted.
Time to boot it up.
Time to boot it up, Mike say. Little short dog. Little short dog in the house. See, I can say that because me and him about the same height. No, we like 2 inches from being a midget now.
You remember Ray Puncher? Look.
Bless you.
Look.
Somebody say, hey.
Yeah.
Hey!
Look, when me and him used to work the truck together, they're like, oh Lord, they're going to do me. Boy, you would get so mad. Because I was talking to him, I said, man, if you're under 5 feet tall, you're a waste of good skin.
Oh, golly.
Yeah, he would be so mad.
We done seen quite a few bikes today. Good day to ride. Good day to ride. Good day to ride. Excellent day to ride. Jonathan, what'd you name your bike, man? Sexy Red?
That sounds good.
Sexy Red. All right, YouTube. Just want to put a little bit on the video. Guess we're gonna get ready to head back to the big city of Natchez. See what's happening. Going back down the Trace. Pleasurable ride. Lots of shade. Well, you guys, we started out with how many we had? 7. Then we dropped down to 5. Well, yeah, we started out supposed to be 7. Dropped down to 5. Now we down to 3.
Yes, sir. They got speakers in the front of that bit here.
I know y'all hear that music. That's them with all that racket.
He ain't really hitting, he got him in the front.
Yeah.
That grill. That's how people be running those. He ain't paying no attention. He just walk.
Look at him. He just walked.
They looking at them like they strong. You got the meat plug on somebody, knock them off your leg head.
Now he grinning. I don't know what he on, but whatever he on, need to get off it.
That car hit me, it's straight though. Go find them headphones somewhere, go find them somewhere.
They
You
don't.
order that cushion like that at Amazon?
With this here? Yep. Amazon. That's the air hop.
Yeah.
Air hop. I said I've been had this thing ever since I got this bike, man.
Me, Jonathan don't need that hour while they ride like that. I don't need no bike. I'm trying to get me one.
and it'll be empty, no air in it. You just turn that little nozzle. That's all the air you need. That's all the air you need. See, every time I move, that air in that thing, it pads whatever I need to pad it.
Okay.
It picks you up. It picks you up off the seat. Like all them rides we be going on, this all I ever have. I'll never be tired.
I'm order me one. After you go on them long ride, you need a cushion, cuz.
Yeah.
Yeah, your head get tired now. I ain't gonna do that.
Oh yeah.
Thank goodness for man, I can put my feet back like this. I stretch them out. I'll be doing all kinds of shit.
Man, I be doing all. I thought I was the only one put mine back there like that.
Yeah, I ride like this. I put mine on the back thing sometimes.
Yeah.
Back my motorcycle with somebody clowning like them cat clown. Ain't no way.
Let me see if I can catch them on video. They coming this way, ain't it?
Yeah. You get a bike something with noise, that make it get down on.
Yep. Them pipes? Yep.
Even driving a truck or whatever.
Right. Because you want to hear them pipes. All right, here they come. If that truck wasn't in front of them, they'd be getting down with it.
Short ride bike there.
Yeah.
Ride,
all that bent over stuff like that.
Man, I wouldn't ride $1 shield on that people. We're coming back last night, man. We went to Baton Rouge to my granddaughter's ball game.
Yeah.
Y'all saw the windshield on my Jeep. Them big ass bugs. The big old black bugs. Boom, boom. Yeah. It was covered. I had to wash my windshield last night when I got home.
Yep.
I mean, I said, man, they would have ate us up on a bike.
Them big old corn bugs.
Them big son of a gun just splattered. Boom, boom. Carmen said, there go another one. Go another one. Boom. I mean, you could hear boom, boom. I mean,
yep.
Yelling shit. And the other day, I went up 61 North. Where I went? Coming back. But anyway, I ran into a bunch of something. That all of a sudden, that small bug, about so big, hit my windshield. Blip, 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 blip. I mean, cover the whole thing. I don't know what the mess of it.
Yeah, your hood don't fly when you be riding. Your hood don't fly when you be riding.
It ain't closed.
No, that thing ain't
It ain't closed.
I took something out of it. I didn't pay no money.
Jonathan, you plant your garden?
Huh?
You plant a garden?
Yeah. I got my greens up. Got peppers, tomatoes.
My tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers up.
I planted cucumbers too, but that was before the
Hey
frost.
man, you done made that day?
I don't know if they're gonna make it. When did you plant your cucumber?
On Good Friday.
Did you have a plant?
No,
He
seed.
was talking to that guy
Okay.
right there.
Seed.
Yeah, I had some small plants, but I planted before that freeze. My peppers died, but they came back.
Okay.
They growing fast, and I think the cucumber gonna come back too.
My peppers, they about that tall.
Yeah, mine too. I bought some bigger plants. They about that tall.
Okay.
But my greens coming on, you got to spray the hell out of them greens. Them bugs.
Them bugs gonna eat them up.
Yeah, you got to spray every time it rains.
Yeah.
You got to spray it, and even them heavy dew, it'll wash that chemical off.
Yeah.
You got to spray it. I keep me that 8.
The 888.
Yeah.
Yep.
That 8, I keep it out there in my pump I spray. When I go out there and check my garden, I just hit it.
Yep.
Keep them bugs out. You don't have that
All
problem
right.
in the winter, but in summer you got to spray them because in 2 days they'll
Yeah.
eat the plants up.
Yep.
Man, I bet I got 25, 30 bags of greens in the freezer now.
Okay.
From last winter, I had a hell of a crop.
Yeah.
But we cook greens every other Sunday.
Yeah.
Every other Sunday she cooked a pot of greens. So we had some last Sunday. This coming Sunday we have greens.
Yep.
Boy, got nice greens, definitely. Yeah, you got nice greens.
How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Roll this hose out.
You like motorcycles?
What's the big truck on?
You gonna ride one day?
That yellow thing on there, watch concrete.
What kind you like?
You go down be shiny.
This kind? It's nice.
That one's just like a 4-wheeler, except it's a 3-wheeler, I think.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a Can-Am.
It's a Can-Am Spider.
Push the button and crank up his big pump.
He got that Rotax power.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You watch YouTube?
Yep.
You do? I don't have a car. Yes, I do. You want to go to my channel and follow me on my channel? Go to RWKSD on YouTube. You can pass them out to some of your friends if you want to.
Okay.
What grade you in?
5th.
Huh?
5th.
5th? What you majoring in school? What you majoring in? What you like to do? English,
Track.
math? You like track?
Well, my favorite is science, basically.
Science. That's good. Science and biology. That's good. That's it. That's it. Appreciate you. Thank you.
You got exactly 500.
I ain't putting oil in that truck and all
Yep.
that.
Jonathan, your turn.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, you gonna run over my bike?
She says she likes spiders.
You like spiders?
Mm-hmm.
Can't keep up with that. Still can't keep up.
Type.
You go places you can't go. All through the ditches and all that. You got a 4-wheeler?
Yeah, but it's out in the country.
What you finna go do?
Oh, nothing probably. Probably nothing.
Y'all gonna ride again tomorrow?
Look my nephew. Look.
What time?